up, guys? So I am driving through PG County thinking about what I want this YouTube channel to be about, what I can lend or help or assist or advise. But I think most of you guys know I am a business owner, entrepreneur, run my own graphic design and print company, live in the Washington, D.C. area, grew up in Washington, D.C., and I've been doing, I guess over the last 10 or 11 months, kind of a lot of searching, a lot of exploring. Recently got into real estate last year, 2019, and just kind of been exploring, trying to figure out what I can provide, what I can share on this channel. So I was driving around with a friend yesterday. We were north of DC in the city of Baltimore, and I was kind of showing he and his family around. We actually made 2 investments up there this year, just in the last month, trying to figure out what we wanted to do with these properties. And as we were driving around, my buddy Chris shared with me just the amount of poverty. And it's not just poor, it's middle class poor, it's middle class that are just kind of stuck where they are. We crossed over the train tracks, and when you cross over the train tracks, it's almost, he mentioned it was almost like by design. It is probably the best way of describing it. You cross over the train tracks and you're in a completely different neighborhood. So saying that, I think in business it's kind of the same. It is 50 million people trying to run or get into a business, not knowing what they want to do, not knowing how to promote it, how to advertise it, how to market it, how to explore and expand your services, your products, or whatever it may be. So I was thinking about on this channel to share with you my experience, ups, downs, all the ins and outs. And I don't want to teach how to. I want to show you and work with you. So basically we'll learn together. I can show obviously my experience, what I did wrong, what I did right, but every scenario is different. So I just wanted to drop this first video and kind of let you know my goals, what I'm trying to do. And I really, really encourage you, if you could, comment below. Make sure you comment below, because I want to know what value I can provide. What could I maybe share with you that I've already done. But in order to do that, in order for me to share this information, you want to make sure that you get alerted every time we post something. So make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen there. And then you could also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you'll then be alerted each time we post new information, a new video. I'm going to be bringing on a lot of local entrepreneurs, business owners, real estate investors. I'm talking with a actual real estate agent. He's an active agent that I've worked with, to maybe share some of his insight with you all. And then I also want to bring in people from the print industry that I've worked in since 2005 and share with you, some of our customers, some of their experiences with us as a company. So I look forward to doing that. But subscribe below, hit the bell to get notified, and we'll be getting new content coming up very, very soon. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Chris Birch, talk to you.